what's up, guys?
Guys!
1 second. And what? Huh?
Where are you?
Cooking with Jacob! I said cooking with Jacob, bitch! That was cooking with Jacob, guys.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
You're right, watch! I love it.
What the fuck? What the fuck, bro?
Cooking with Jacob! Okay, Austin, no. Austin, no. I said Austin.
What the fuck?
7 up!
Dying. Didn't you kill yourself?
You did a backflip. I didn't cook. Hey! Out! I'm doing cooking with Jacob! Cooking with Jacob! Cooking with Jacob, bitch! I said cooking with Jacob. No, bitch! You know what? I'm gonna use an actual RPG.
Oh.
We both exploded. You want me to use an actual RPG?
Clear!
Oh, boy.
Fuck you! Stop! You caught in my hand! What the heck?
Well, quit swinging your...
Fuck you, bro.
Huh?
I said fuck my dick.
What are you pulling out?
I'm finding my... I'm pulling out my dick.
What are you pulling out?
My dick.
Haha.
Oh yeah, you wanna say
Haha,
ah?
bitch! Haha, bitch!
Fuck!
Oh, fuck.
Oh!
Cooking with Jacob!
Fuck you!
You know I can reload your RPG? I got
Fuck you!
I got bombs! I got bombs to reload it! I promise. Ow.
I don't wanna hear it. I don't wanna hear you. Stop!
Hey! Googa gaga!
Fuck you! I'm not this song!
Okay. It will bang. Guess what will go bang?
Stop!
Me will go bang. Me! Look at the firework! It's a... Oh, it's a firework! It will bang. It will bang on.
What the fuck, bro? Did you just explode your fucking self?
Austin, you wanna see a firework?
No. Get away from me.
Oh, I didn't mean to get close to you. I'm so sorry.
Oh, Grant!
Guess what'll bang? explode me, you explode yourself, by the way. Oh. Okay, Austin, I swear to God.
Don't take my
What if I do it? What if I do?
bro. Cause you didn't even took it, bro.
Okay, guys. Currently, me and my friend are leaving. Currently, I'm leaving the code.
Bro, why? Could you keep on exploding me? That's why?
No, it's because you're being a jerk. So currently, I'm gonna be leaving the code. But first, I'm gonna do cooking with Jacob. Yay! Go away. Cooking.
I'm gonna go. Bro, why?
Cooking with Jacob. Cooking with Jacob. Cooking with Jacob. What my friend doesn't know is I'm not actually leaving the code. Friend doesn't.
You.
Nice.
Actually, I don't. You're just a
I wasn't actually leaving the code. You're the asshole.
Why? Cause you just said.
I was joking.
No, you wasn't.
Ever heard of a joke?
I'm leaving the.
Bye bye.
I.
Bye bye, you piece of shit. No, I didn't hear everyone. Yeah, I don't care either. Yeah, say. Oi, break your VR even more, dickhead. Yeah. No. Nah. You're the most dickiest head in the house. Currently, guys, my friend is calling me all these bad words just because I made up a joke about me leaving the code. So I'm gonna finish it off with cooking with Jacob, cooking with Jacob, cooking with Jacob. Bye, guys. My friend is currently being a jerk, so.